G'day riders, we've just hit Methven and Beach, the rally point for a group of us heading up to the Southern Raw 2019. This is Kiwi Rider there. We're heading up with Dave. He's finishing off his work before he leads us out. And when you're ready.
I'm super excited. It's our first ever HOG rally. We're going to Methven, waiting for everyone to arrive. Can't wait to get riding.
We're in a small but perfectly formed group of Deep South Kiwi chapter HOG riders.
We know Dave, who's out in front there, but these other folks we're just meeting for the first time.
Not that that matters too much, I think we've all instantly bonded over a shared love of motorcycles.
And donuts! As the crow flies, it's around 3 3/4 hours to Methven, but Mr. Kiwi Rider and I have the smallest tanks, so we'll probably have to stop a couple of times along the way.
We've both got our brawler bats attached to our bikes. There's a show and shine tomorrow morning, so we thought we'd do something just a little bit different, these baseball bats with the names of our bikes on them. Alright folks, we just stopped in Timaru to fuel up the bikes and get some fuel for ourselves as well.
Next stop, Methven!
And the Southern Raw HOG Rally.
We've only been part of the Deep South Kiwi HOG chapter for a really short time, but even in this short time we've noticed how nice people are and how welcoming they are. It's been so awesome. I didn't know what to expect really about, you know, how much we get out of being in the HOG chapter, but so far it's been so awesome and we've met so many good people. Wow, look at those mountains.
Remember what I told you about Lord of the Rings?
That you watched it sitting in your underwear when you should have been at work?
No, the other thing.
Little cars make you horny.
You couldn't be serious if your life depended on it. Mount Sunday is in the Methven Mount Hutt area, the area that we're currently riding into. Now, scenes for the Lord of the Rings were filmed there, specifically Edoras, which was where Theoden, the king, had his kingdom hall and the village surrounding it.
And this is our salubrious accommodation. Salubrious.
Someone stuck a Triumph in there.